Steve Woods. Princess. Yeah. See, you know we crazy for this.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Princess. We got First Lady Nikki here, the face. We got Miss Queen Unique, Miss Katrina Shanks. She is, who are you? She's the Panther. I don't know how I forgot that. I'm not, see, I'm a little scatterbrained right now, but that's okay. Like I said, you got me, I'm Princess Johnson, I'm the Siren, and you got Miss Lady Shell. She is the brain of the group. We are the 239 Winner's Circle LLC organization, and we just put together our first charity event, the Penn to Win charity event. We held it right here at the Penn Street Lanes on Fowler. And it was actually quite funny because the team that declared themselves to be first place before they even played actually walked out of here with the trophies, y'all, and that's kind of sad. But, I mean, my boy Trevor had an acceptance speech already. He was already thanking God for waking him up this morning. Hilarious, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I appreciate everybody for coming out and the sponsors and just the volunteers and everyone helping me to get this thing going. So, the first place team we had was the Babylon Boys. Their score was a total of 1576. So you know they had some pretty good people on their team. Second place was Twin Cuts with a total of 1403. Third place was Special Blend. They had a total of 957 points. The fourth, we had a couple other teams. We had the Lions Den and the Mad Random team, 685, 539, but there was no way they were going to win. But in reality, what it all boils down to is everybody is a winner. Because everyone that came out showed some love, whether they came out and played or whether they just came out and made a donation. Shout out to my volunteers, Kristen, Debbie, Devin, Gabby, Lady G for making a donation, Kit from Club Neo for making a donation, also Kashia and Najee, hi babies, and we just want to thank everybody for coming out and showing us some love and some support for the 239 Winner's Circle. So you guys have a blessed night and look out for the fashion show with Lady Shell coming up at the Lions Den. Also look out for the Winner's Circle dinner at the Edison with Katrina, and the Family Fun Day with First Lady Nikki at Clemente Park. We got a lot of stuff coming up for you guys. This was the first official charity event just to show people that, you know, it's all about giving to the community and everybody showing some support. Also, shout out to Mike Antoine for also coming out for showing us some love. Thank you guys for coming out. We appreciate everybody for coming out and showing us love and support. You guys have a good day. 239 Winner's Circle LLC is official. Keep moving.
Do it like this.
I need a couple of brown boys straight up with no bottles. Campaigning hard, getting wasted top model. Going 0 to 60 in my favorite honest lotto. So please get on me, back up on me. When I grow up, I wanna be a paper chaser. Look, I look like I'm laughing, please don't play with my paper. Wow, here we go again, I think you caught the paper. So please get on me, back up on me. I'm going in and I'm going all hard. I'm the best thing you done seen thus far. Don't underestimate me like my God, cause I'm liable to leave lots of scars. I'm taking over, fresh so clean. Hold your applause to the end of the scene. Face so pretty with a voice so mean. It'll never end till the fat girl sings. So come and get it while it's fast and it's smoking hot. Don't it make you wanna bag it up, drop it while it's hot. In it to win it, can't lose, this is the last shot. Please don't fail me now. I need a couple of brown boys straight up with no bottles. Campaigning hard, getting wasted top model. Going 0 to 60 in my favorite